Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Sewers Club sewing subscription box. So I'm going to open the tape. I like to open tape with a seam ripper because it makes it so easy. This box is $32 if you're paying it month to month. If you are buying it like 3 months at a time, I think it goes down to maybe $30 a box. So if you're getting a bigger, more months at one time, it'll get a little bit cheaper, depending on how many you want to get. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the project looks like it's a tidy tool caddy for, you hang it on your ironing board and you put all of your tools on it so you have them handy but they don't get in the way. So this has all the instructions on the back. There is a card. There is something that tells you about all the different fabrics you get. The March bonus item is a light blue thread, and then if you did the add-on you get like a thread tower, but I didn't get the add-on. There is a bunch of different fabrics, so let's look at these fabrics. This one is a beautiful fabric. This is like Sewing Notion sewing machine inspired fabric. So see, there's a bunch of different sewing machines, there's thread, there's needles, seam rippers, bobbins, measuring tapes. That fabric is so fun. There's thimbles. There is another sewing inspired fabric, but this one has like a basket of notions, a jar of notions, buttons, rickrack, ribbon, seam ripper, safety pin, scissors. So that fabric is also really, really fun. Another fabric is just a blender. This is just a yellow blender fabric with little drop dots. And then the last one is another blender, but this one has pins on it with all those colorful the heads on the pins. Here is the thread. This is the bonus, and this matches this thread or this pin fabric perfectly. It also matches this sewing machine fabric, so that's a nice addition. There is some, this is fusible fleece, so that will go with the project. And that is everything in the box. I love these 4 fabrics. I think they're so fun and pretty. I'm excited to work with them, and I'm going to start working on the project and see how far I can get. So I have finished the Tidy Tool Caddy from the box, and I actually chose the fabrics very similar to the way the pattern shows it because I loved the way it looked. Blue is my favorite color, so I had the blue sewing machine fabric be on the outside. The yellow sewing Notion fabric is on the inside, and then at the bottom I have the pin fabric for these 2 large pockets, and then the polka dot fabric for a small pocket here, and then the clip holder, the quilter's clip holder here. So, and it's the same on the other side. So what you do is you hang this over an ironing board and you slide your stuff in here, like scissors and your seam ripper, your clips. It's a great way to organize my stuff when I'm sitting at the ironing board and I don't want to lose anything, but I have everything, you know, here close by. I love the fabrics. I think this These fabrics are really fun for any sewing room, since it just, you know, makes you think about sewing and all the fun things. And I love that there's different kinds of sewing machines, because we all have different sewing machines. This project went really fast. It was really fun. It's great for beginners. I think it would challenge beginners just enough to get you to learn things, but it wouldn't be too hard. I decided as I was sewing to use black thread for top stitching and for sewing everywhere. I was originally going to use the blue that came, but once I read through the instructions, I realized that I would be able to top stitch well and have my stitches show. So I decided to use black to pick up on all the black in the fabric. So that was a fun little addition. I do like how the black looks, how it kind of stands out a little more than the blue would. There's my tidy tool caddy. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.